Steven, thank you so much. I will put up my angels just yet. And I need to charge my phone also. Otherwise, it's sorry. Otherwise, it's sorry. Anyway. Panoy! Hello, Panoy! Nasaan na ba yung aking notebook na maganda? Yung aking notebook na maganda. Siyempre, meron tayong ano dito, attendance. Sabay ganun. Present po! Sir Panoy Vlogs, I miss you. Basta busy sa school, hindi ako nakakagala. Kanina, pasilip-silip ako dun sa ibang naka-live ng tanghali. Pero, nawawala rin ako dahil may mapapasok na mga messages sa aking messenger. So, ganun pa rin, nahaharangan pa rin ng messenger. So, nawawala ako sa aking, pinanonood. So, Ma'am Nati, going to your channel na. And, of course, Sir Panoy, going to your channel also. Sir Panoy, to your channel. Salamat sa inyong pagpunta. 7 people in the house. Thank you. And later I will watch Steven Bennett. Later. Videos tayo para mahaba. Habang walang tao, dito tayo sa mahahaba. Oo nga, kasi ng videos ni Ma'am Nati. Dito tayo, Ma'am Nati, 10 minutes. And of course, Sir Panoy, yung videos. Ang iksi. Dito tayo sa 4 minutes, 5 minutes pala, may 5 minutes. Loneta. Dito tayo sa 5 minutes na Loneta. Thank you so much, Steven. Thank you so much. I am going to your channel also, Steven. Any new video? Any new video, my friend? So, all angels out now. Thank you so much. Yan, Ma'am Nati, harang to. Sir Panoy, bakit walang harang? Oh, no videos yet. No videos yet, Steven. Okay, here. November 7. November 7 for Steven. 2 people in the house. Thank you so much. My angels are already out to visit other people around. View from Timberland. Kristen. Wow. I think this is plantation. Reforestation because the trees were really aligned. They were aligned accordingly. Oh no, 0 people in the house. No more persons in the house. This is bad.